Hi everyone, today we're going to look at this new trading robot called the AI Momentum Scalper, which had maximum gains and minimal drawdown. And in backtest, we can see it went for $1,000 to $928,000. Sounds too good to be true, right? But let's look further on. So this is a new product. It's only been released on the 7th of January. It is by the same author as that of the Friday Pro trading robot, which we are using in our live accounts. It is MT5 only, and I was fortunate enough to be a beta tester for this trading robot, and I just want to share the results that I've seen. This is my IC Markets account. Live account is a MetaTrader 5 account on IC Markets, and you can see that I've put in $5,000 the 17th of January. And this was because I was fortunate to be a beta tester for the new trading robot, AI Momentum Scalper. I tested it in early January. First on demo, which the result looked quite good. And demo accounts don't really mean too much, but at least you get a feel as to what it could potentially do. It looked quite good, and so I decided to do it on a small live account, which also worked quite well. And now I've decided to go live with $5,000, so a decent amount. And you see it started trading already, and it started making money. Day one, we got not that many trades, 4 trades. I thought, okay, it's fine, but they're all in profit. And then 19th, we got a whole string of trades here. Unfortunately, we end up in a loss that day. But from then on, it just started to go, and you can see the trades here. Okay, not all trades are winners, but overall, we got trades almost every day. Even I set up running on gold. There is a gold set file in the time that I've had. It's only done three trades, and it does take commission. The good thing about IC Markets is that for indices like D40, which is the DAX index, German index, it doesn't charge any commission. So I'm not being charged commission here, but it was still racking in the profits. And as you can see, it's made $1,000 in about 3-4 weeks, just under 4 weeks, 3 weeks, which I think is pretty good considering I only started off with 1,000. And the other thing was the low drawdowns, which I will show you in the My FX book account. But every day, right now, it's just making profit. So today, for example, it made 254. Then if I take yesterday it did 482, and then the day before that it did 228. So it's making really decent profits. I'm not really using a large size. These are just one lot, and they're very, very small trades, but you get loads of them. That's why it grows so quickly. It does have an element of recovery trade. So if the first trade moves into a loss, you do get another trade that's open at a slightly larger size. But they've all been been fine, and it's all made profit. Just want to show you this. It's really impressive. I'm really impressed so far from what I've seen. Obviously using this on IC Markets, which is a top tier broker. I don't like to use any of the other ones which you see because you just don't know what they could do to your real life funds. If you're trading with decent sizes, you want to use something like IC Markets or any other regulated broker which offer you some protection at least. So I'm going to show you the MyFX book account now. Right, so here is the MyFX book account. You can track this yourself as well if you go here. This is live and online. It's a real IC Markets account. We've made almost 20% gain. This is what it looked like. It was the first day I mentioned it went down a bit, but it wasn't that low, but it's gone all the way up. 90%, only 2.28% drawdown, which is minor, but we've made this much already. And from here, I've opened this up so you can see it's made a lot of trades. It's 163 trades in 3 weeks. Really, really busy. Yeah, to check this out, profit factor 2.80. Um, just quite impressed with what I've seen so far. And yeah, 20% up. So that's that. Let's have a look at the authors page. So this is the AI Momentum Scalper. It's by InTrader, the same author that did Friday Pro, which we are still running in our account. That one obviously does a lot less trades. This one is 399 US dollars. Let's see, what else does it say here? Algorithms, AI algorithms. I guess everybody's using AI stuff now. Yep. I mean, great. I see markets. Nothing else much to say there. Obviously, the down set files which I'm using. So set files is the one that I'm using. It's runs on the 1 minute, the 40 IC markets. I did try. I've got these two running as well, but I've not had any trades for. I saw I had some gold trades, but very infrequent. US 500, not that many trades on that as well. It's pretty much this one that's doing 99% of the trades and it's doing a really good job of it. So yeah, make sure you download the set files. And we saw the live signal. Let's have a look at that. 8%. Okay. IC markets. Trade history just like mine. Loads of trades. Nice looking chart. The drawdown, just a little bit. 2.17 was the highest drawn that they've experienced, and they were 68% up. So yeah, tiny drawdown for the amount of return already. So yeah, all really, really impressive so far on this trading robot. So I just want to share that with you. Obviously, we'll drop all the links so you can see it for yourself. And if you are interested in this trading robot, here are all the links on the screen. I'll also drop them into the video description box below. Includes the links for the trading robot and that of my broker and all the other conditions that I'm using to get these results. And thank you for watching. I hope you found this of value. If you haven't done so, please do like and subscribe to this channel. If you are a trading robot author and you have a product for me to have a look at, do send it through. Okay, thanks very much and happy trading. Until the next video. Bye-bye.